This is now the 13th time I've clicked record on this video because I wanted to show the goggles too and how well they perform. I've been thinking about ways to sort of get around what everyone else is telling because so many people are saying the same thing. But here's my take on the goggles too. We can use the Vistas and the old air units or the RunCam link, and that is actually very cool. Of course, no, the Vistas and RunCams is not as good as the O3 air unit, but it's good enough, I'd say. It's not something where I'm going to go out and switch all of my Vistas to the new O3. Would I be buying a new O3 or a Vista if one of them broke? Probably I would go with the O3 because the image quality is so much better. It just can't be understated. I will put some videos up on the screen now where I show the O3 first, and you can see all the crisp details. The connection is amazing. It's not over sharpened, it's not over saturated. And this is running in DCine-like, of course, and then it's running 16:9 4K resolution. It transmit. This is from the goggles, so it's only a 1080p. I'm in the EU, so I decided to go with 50 FPS because this is on a small Cinewhoop, so I would rather have the quality compared to the low latency. I can deal with the latency, to be honest. It doesn't bug me as much as I thought it would. Of course, when flying the Vistas, I feel much more in control. I don't think it's a huge upgrade because it's still the same quality that gets transmitted. That being said, I do like the quality of the goggles on your face. I have a little light leak here in the sides, but other than that, it is actually pretty amazing. I love the lightweight, and the default antennas are super great. I like they're foldable, it's small, it's packageable, it's a lot lighter than the Goggles V1 and so on. Now, I don't think you should necessarily go out and run if you only plan to fly the old air units and Vistas. Unless you really want that OSD, then you might as well go ahead and install WTF OSD instead, and that will give you the same output basically. So these are the goggles too, and I really enjoyed them. They are expensive, but I think they're worth it, especially if you pair them with an O3 air unit. Then you get the maximum quality, and it's amazing what DJI have really done this time. Leave a comment down below and subscribe for more. I would also encourage you to, if you are considering these goggles, try to go to a friend and ask them if you can try them on. They might not fit your face. There's not a lot of different kind of foam you can choose, so it might not be the most comfortable on your face. Try them out. Let me know what you think and click this video. I don't know why, but YouTube selected this video just for you, and YouTube really think that you should watch this one right here, I think, somewhere here. You could click that one. That would be what YouTube think you should do. Otherwise, get out there and get flying.